Alright guys, let's jump right into it. You're going to start with about 2 cups of black eyed peas. You want to soak those overnight. Then you're going to cover the black eyed peas with a little bit of salt and water, and just make sure the water is completely covering the black eyed peas, and then bring it to a boil. You're going to need 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 scallions, a half a cup of shredded carrot, 1 tomato, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, 2 cups of baby spinach, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and let's get started chopping up all of our ingredients. So now you're going to chop up your cilantro, chop your onion, chop your tomato and your scallion. And after you've chopped all of those things, you want to go ahead and combine all of those ingredients. Doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? Now for the dressing. This is so simple and delicious. It's just 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Absolutely easy and super delicious. Alright, I've added all of those ingredients together. I added my black eyed peas and the dressing. It's time to dig in and put the other meals in the fridge. So guys, I will see you in the next video, and subscribe if you like what you're seeing.